Yo, what's going on, y'all? This your boy Ant. What's going on? I'm back here with Black Knight again. I didn't get for some reason I had a fault in my filming last week when I wanted to show the door lights that went down. It didn't, with my editing, it didn't show it or something. I don't know what happened, but anyway, I'm going to show y'all that. Let me cut this light out over here and it'll be a lot better. Make it a little darker. Show y'all. Hopefully y'all can see this. Let me angle it a little more down towards the ground so y'all can see. Okay, this is what you get right here. Hopefully y'all can see that. Let me go back and look at the camera and see. Okay, yeah. And when you close the door, that goes out. Basically I got to finish the other side. Cut this back on. Okay, another description I had, discrepancy that I had with my filming last week. Y'all didn't get to see, let me get this off of here, off this pod. Y'all did not get to see the other side of the door panels, the chrome windows and locks that I put in here. As y'all can see, so let me get this camera focused. That's it right there. And I also painted the panels black. Came out pretty good. And let me go to the other side. And this is what the other side looks like. They came out pretty good. That light is beaming on there. But anyway, that's what I did from week 4 last year. Y'all didn't get to see it. Okay, now for the next mod. Okay, I'm gonna walk over here and get the mod. I'm only giving y'all one mod this week. Probably the next couple of weeks one mod because money is getting slack and doing 3 mods a week. Oh man, that takes out my content. So just gonna give y'all one mod, which is a pretty good one. This chrome. This is a chrome foot part that you put your that you put your right foot on, and this is the brake, I think, and this is the gas. I'm sorry, this is the brake, this is the gas, or this is the gas. We'll figure it out in a minute, and it's the other foot part. But that's our mod for this week. Basically, we're just going to give you one a week because, like I said, content I'll be running out, and each week I want to give y'all something. If I keep giving you 3 mods and the money keep running short, I ain't going to have no money and I ain't going to have no mods to post. So y'all know how that go. But anyway, y'all know how we do it. Let's get into it. Okay, basically if you're an old man like me, you have to have these knee pads because you got bad knees like I do. They come in handy. Got them at Harbor Freight. I think they was $3 or $4. Can't beat them. But anyway, let me bring this camera over here so y'all kind of get an idea what we got to do. Man, this cold been kicking my butt. See, I got the other spotlight in here so we can see a little better. And see, that might be too bright. See if I can pull this back a little bit. Okay, what you have to do, there's a pin in here. If I can get the camera to zoom in. Right there. That pin has to come out, and then the foot pedal onto gas will come off. This right here basically just pulls off. And then they said the other one probably hard to work in. And then this one right here, I think have a pin in it. I'm not sure. I can't really see till I get up underneath there. But basically we're going to put them on and then show y'all what it look like. Alright, we'll be back. So basically what you had in there for the gas pedal is you had this pin right here. Let me see, can I focus this in? You had that pin right there, and it's got grooves in it. And you gotta take a pair of pliers and push on this end when it comes out, push it in halfway, and then once you get this part to lift up, you get the pliers in this part and part of the metal part of the foot bar part, and push that pin out. And that's what that pin looks like. I'm gonna put some grease in it and maybe go back in easier, but that's what's holding it there. It's kind of tough getting that out, but I'm gonna put this back in and I'll get back with y'all. Okay, as y'all can see, I got the foot part in. Trying to shine the light so y'all can see, and it was hell trying to get that screw right there back in. It don't make it no easier, which screw is let's see, right in there. Man, I had a time trying to get that on, and this foot part trying to get it even. They say kind of put it in hot water to soften up the rubber, and I did that to make it easy. Now this right here, I don't think it's going to work because the piece that I got to go on there, let's see if I can find it. It's somewhere in here. But anyway, you got to take this bracket off, which is right there with 2 bolts. And then I think you're going to have to modify something because of the way it's made, but let me get it out of here and show y'all. I had to come out here and show y'all. So you have to basically take this whole bracket off, and then on the back side you got these clips right here. You got to take loose, like mash them in, and then that'll pop out. Then you can put the new one in. There's no way of getting underneath this without taking the bracket off to pinch these thing. It's kind of hard, so it's best just take it out, which I showed y'all. I had 2 screws that goes right there in the back. So basically, pop them out on the bottom, pop the new piece in, and mount it back. All right, I'll get back with y'all when I get through doing that. Okay, as y'all can see, I done put it in now. Let's see the 2 bolts. See if I can zoom in. That's one, and the other one is up top. You gotta take them 2 bolts out. That's the ones I was talking about, and put them back in. And basically that's it. So we're gonna end this thing. Oh, that thing was doing a flash. So anyway, let's get back over here. Get this camera focused. Get it back on the pod. Okay. So basically that's it, y'all. That's all the mods for today. For Black Knight, just one mod, like I said. But I know y'all say, well, where's the music at? You should start out with the music. Hey, y'all know I ain't forgot y'all. Let me give y'all this. Y'all know I had to have my music through my life.
DJ Grace.
Okay.
Y'all know I ain't
reloaded.